Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, me and my group mate will present about photosynthesis. In this group, we have about 5 members. First is Syamil Syakir bin Safrizan. Second is Nur Irfan Syamil bin Muhammad Supian. Third is Muhammad Naim Nazmi bin Muhammad Supian. Fourth is Zarif Fauzan bin Zamri. And lastly is Zain Izzat bin Zulkifli. First, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis in green plants, light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide, and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. Next is importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is critical for the existence of the vast majority of life on Earth. It is the way in which virtually all energy in the biosphere becomes available to living things. As primary producers, photosynthetic organisms form the base of Earth's food webs and are consumed directly or indirectly by all higher life forms. Okay, this is photosynthesis equation. Photosynthesis reaction in plant concluded the carbon dioxide and water absorbed by the leaf, which is the chlorophyll, to create glucose and oxygen. The powerhouse of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are the powerhouse of plants. They are the site of photosynthesis, the process that uses sunlight and carbon dioxide to produce the energy that powers life on Earth. The first system relates to chloroplast redox states, or how chloroplasts keep a healthy balance of chemicals and energy. It sites in the photosynthetic tissue of plant, where it protects the chloroplast from damage by the chemical peroxide. Kelvin cycle, light independence reaction. The ultimate goal of the light-independent reaction or Kelvin cycle is assemble a molecule of glucose. This is the part of photosynthesis that requires the CO2 the plant get from the air. Essentially, the plant needs the carbon from the CO2 to create the building blocks for glucose. An enzyme, the stroma, called RuBisCO combine a 5-carbon molecule of RuBP, ribulose biphosphate, with a molecule of carbon dioxide.
Light dividend reaction. Light dividend reaction happen in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast and occur in the presence of sunlight. The sunlight is converted to chemical energy during these reactions. The chlorophyll in the plant absorbs sunlight and transfers to the photosystem, which are responsible for photosynthesis. The light dependent reaction converts light energy into chemical energy. The goal of the light dependent reaction of photosynthesis is to collect energy from the sun and break down water molecules to produce ATP and NADPH. These two energy storing molecules are then used in the sunlight independent reaction. Within chloroplast, chlorophyll is the pigment that absorbs sunlight. It is stored in the thylakoid membranes in protein complex called photosystem I and photosystem II. Factor affecting photosynthesis. The environmental factors which can affect the rate of photosynthesis are 1. Carbon dioxide. 2. Light. Temperature. 3. Water. 4. Oxygen. 5. Mineral. 6. Pollutants. 7. Inhibitors.
So for the next slide, I want to present about adaptations for photosynthesis. Leaves are adapted for photosynthesis and gaseous exchange. They are adapted for photosynthesis by having a large surface area and contain openings called stomata to allow carbon dioxide into the leaf and oxygen out. Photosynthesis and global carbon cycle. Carbon cycle is the chemical backbone of life on Earth. Carbon compounds regulate the Earth's temperature, make up the food that sustains us, and provide energy that fuels our global economy. So this is how carbon cycle process.
Hi, for the next slide, I am Zain Izzat bin Zulkifli. I will explain about photosynthesis process. During the photosynthesis, plant takes in carbon dioxide and water from the air and soil. Within the plant cell, the water is oxidized, meaning it loses electrons, while the carbon oxidized is reduced, meaning it gains electrons. This transformation the water into oxygen and carbon dioxide into glucose. The plant then releases the oxygen back into the air and store energy within the glucose molecule. Okay, this is simple diagram of photosynthesis process. The green part of the plant will absorb sunlight and also carbon dioxide. The roots will absorb water. When these three conditions meet, the photosynthesis process occur and it will get oxygen. Chlorophyll. Inside the plant cell are small organelles called chloroplasts, which store energy of sunlight. Within the thallic membrane of the chloroplast is light-absorbing pigment called chlorophyll, which is responsible for giving the plant its green color. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll absorbs energy from the blue and red light wave and reflect green light wave, making the plant appear green.
So that's all from us. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we hope from this presentation you will gain new knowledge about photosynthesis. Thank you.